Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go now to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner and it opens as the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down to the useful features. And here we have the grid lines option, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here. So for now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera preview to show you how it looks like. And as you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom to the gallery, we can't see these lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need this, we go back to the settings in the left corner, slide again to the useful features and tap on this button. So for now this option is turned off and the grid lines are gone. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.